Okay. We're in low res, yeah, phone. So, okay. The primer is about all done. Of course, all the body work under is fine. And, well, I'm getting ready to paint it. I gotta do a final sanding on it. We'll do that tomorrow, hopefully. I'm just going around and getting these little areas like that all puttied up and blemish free on this partial restore of this vehicle. Okay, Sean Walker, Walk Tongy Boats, a little catch me up here. I'm catching you up, rather. This is the pickup truck that I've been working on for the last 6 months. The engine work, exhaust work, new tires, and I've done a partial paint job myself. And it looks pretty damn good if I don't say so myself. Did a lot of things to it. I spent about $500 US on it. All of the lights work, new lenses all the way around, 4 corners, and it was a lot of work. I don't know if I'd undertake it again. It took too long. 6 months to fix up an old truck is kind of a long time. But now she's ready to go and take the boat to the water. And this is the boat that I'm finishing up. I modified it. It's the Knitwing. And right now I'm putting this ugly orange canopy on it, so I don't have to be in the hot sun all day. So I will have some shade. And this is the engine that goes on it, the one on the right here. These are my 2 long tail engines. This is the 13 horsepower, goes on it. Goes a little faster than 13. I'm getting a new racing long tail for it. Now these are the long tail shafts here. Yeah, the propeller goes on there. And these are the old ones. I got 3 or 4 sets of old ones over 30 years. As you amass a lot of things, I guess. So once I get this ready to go, I got some work to do on it, and it'll be ready to go. It goes up on top of that truck and we go to the water. Not sure if it's going to be the Mekong, the non-river. Non-river seems likely. Can't wait to go. There'll be videos. So this is the Catch Me Up, a little short video here. You have fun, don't forget to have it. You gotta have fun. What's life without fun? That's what I say. You guys having fun? And Mika Keke having fun ไหม ก็ดีใจเนาะ He's happy. Oh, I don't know about that dog.